Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Go Dynamic IT. You may have heard the terrible sound emanating from my desktop, which I use for video editing and our daily tasks. Suddenly, my system began rebooting repeatedly, and when I opened the cover, I found it's making terrible noise with the lights flickering on and off. In this video, I'll share you the story of how I resolved the issue and which hardware component I had to replace. At this point of time, I was not sure what could be the problem. So what I did is just start removing the external component one by one. So I have started with the external hard drive. So you can see here, I'm removing this data cable and cable from the external hard drives. So first one I remember, this is the second one which I am removing it. So if you have any external device connected to your desktop, just remove those. And after that, when I power on the PC again, I have seen the same problem. That means the problem lies into maybe the motherboard or the power supply. So what I did is I tried to remove this power cable, 24 pin power cable from the motherboard and see whether the power supply goes faulty or not. So first we have to remove the 24 pin power supply, and then you have to remove the 4 pin or 8 pin. It depends like what power supply you have. So let's go and test the power supply. To do so, what you have to do is you must have so first we have to connect the power supply power cord to your power supply smps, and then after connecting this to the smps, what you have to do is get the 24 pin connector, and then you have to short the wires. So shorting the wires means it will test you whether your power supply is good or not. So what it does, it when you short the power supply, your power supply should continuously run. So you can test it in case of your sometime your system doesn't on switched on, right? So this way, this is procedure. You can remove this 24 pin and 4 pin, connect this green cable and black cable. If everything runs well, I mean power supply fan is running good, if you observe this behavior, then your power supply is good. There could be the problem. So in my case, when I connected this shorted this cable, green and black cable, though the fan was this CPU fan was running, you can see the system fan is running good, but the power supply was continuously rebooting. Yeah, the rebooting, like what you the voice, you have terrible voice, you have already heard it, right? Yeah, so then I observed that this would be the problem with this power supply itself. So what I did is I ordered the power supply from the ANT ES Sport. This is the good power supply for the gaming machines and other stuff. So this is the value series I have ordered here, and this is the 400-watt power supply for this one. You can see the backside you have a connector, 8 pin SATA, and there's all information here for this one. So I was about to open it, but you can see my son is standing nearby. You can see his little hands here, and he was about to review this product. But I said, no, it's not your time. So I took his paper knife from him, and then I started opening this box. So he was more enthusiastic to open this box itself. But anyhow, so when I opened this box, I just got few things which just wanted to show it to you. So sorry. So the first one I get is the this warranty card from this ANT ES Sports, and then this user manual and a warranty card. And along with that, you got a power cord, which is looks like a very good quality. And then there are four little ties, and there's screws which we can mount behind your desktop. And then you have this power supply nicely wrapped into this bubble sheet. And you can see here that you have this look like very sturdy and the good quality one. Yeah, this the yeah, so let's unwrap the cable and see how many connectors we have got. So we have two branches of cable here. The one is having three connectors, the other is also having two connectors in this one. And then you can see here these are like SATA, few are the SATA and few are the IDs, and then you have a 24 pin connectors on it, and top of that you have a 8 pin of 12-volt power supply. So let's keep this box aside and go to our desktop to connect this power supply SMPS. So I'm on desktop now and I'm trying to insert this into my desktop. And after inserting into the desktop, you have to fix a such a way, just match your like the screw space. You can see here there are four screws behind this power supply, so you have to match the space and then you have to mount all these small screws behind it. So this is the first one which I'm trying to fit into this. So quickly we'll stuck this all these screws, and then we'll tie it with any screwdriver. So this is the second one, third one, and this is going to be the fourth one. So now it's time to uh, make it properly and make it properly. So we have to tie it with the screwdriver. So I have this small screwdriver with me. So let me fix this with this one, tiny one. Now after fixing this power supply, what we have to do is we have to fix all our external cables to, sorry, the power supply cable to the external devices. So you can see here, first you have to yeah, first what we will do is we will fix this 24 pin connector to our motherboard. So you can see here I'm showing you this connector space. So you just connect it properly, make sure that all the pins go properly and notch should be matched. There is a notch given there, the notch should match. And after connecting this 24 pin, now it's time to connect your 8 pin connected into the motherboard. So I am telling you one more thing that I'm emphasizing more on it, to always check the notch to fix this cables. So now you can see here, now I have fixed this 8 pins. So power supply connectors are done on the mother between your SMPS and the motherboard. Now it's time to fix our hard drive, which are the external device. So this is going to be the first one, and now the second one, and then it's going to be the third one. So all this power supply is connected. Now it's time to connect the SATA cables. So again, go by one. So this is the first one, SATA cable you have to connect, and this is no hard and fast rule that which how you connect it, like which fashion you connect it. It all depends on you how like you can connect your power supply and SATA one by one to all the devices, and then you tie this all the scrambles cable here. You can see here these are scattered. So just tie with some cable, or you have a plastic tie with that, so that it should not touch your fan. And then after doing that, make sure double sure that you have all the connectors, cables, everything is connected to your PC. Make sure that your RAM are also connected. Now it's time to cover this box, and then you have to put this the box holder back holder, and then after doing that, just connect it back to your connect to your all external device like keyboard, mouse, everything in your PC. And now it's time to power it on. So now I'm powering it on. You can see here the red lights, and the system is going to, okay, so hard disk lights are blinking red, and now here go. So you can see here the screen now. So that's it for today's video. If you have any question, query and feedback, please do let me in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching my video.